Hey, what's up, y'all? Hope all is well. My name is Idiamen from the Startup Stall Data Visualization Company, and I want to show you how to sort your data inside Excel. Let's get into it. All right, so now we're looking at a table of employees' information. And based on the table, we can see that our table headings are employee name, department, date of joining, salary, and performance rating. And now I want to sort this table to answer certain questions that I have based on the employee. So first thing I want to do is just sort the employee by their name in alphabetical order. So what I want to do first is click in any cell within that data, go to home, and then go to our editing group. From there, we'll see the sort and filter button. When we click that drop down arrow, we'll see sort A to Z or sort Z to A. For now, we're just going to sort A to Z. Perfect. Now we'll see that Excel went and sorted all of the employee names based on alphabetical order. And we can also see that Excel did not include the table header in that. Excel is smart, and Excel is aware that this is a table header, so it knows not to include this into our sort function. Great. Now let's go to date of joining. We're going to skip department and go to date of joining. To start this based on oldest date to newest date, let's select any cell within this column, go to home, go to our editing group, sort and filter. Now you see that we actually have the option to sort from oldest to newest or from newest to oldest. So for me, I want to know which employee has been here the longest, so we're going to go from oldest to newest. Perfect. Now we can see that Mark Harris has been here the oldest from 2018. Great. Now we can go over to our salary table header, and we want to see which employee makes the least. So if we select a cell in there, go to the home ribbon, go to our editing group, sort and filter. Now we see the option to sort from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. So from here, I'm going to sort from smallest to largest. Now we see that Deanna Torres makes the least amount in our salary out of all of these employees. And there you have it, folks. That is how you sort your data inside Excel. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get more Excel tips, feel free to subscribe. Until next time, see you soon.